Hey guys, how are you? It is Thursday, June 10th, and I realized in yesterday's video after my friend pointed it out, I'm so sorry I got the date wrong. Yesterday was the 9th, not the 7th. I don't know why I thought of it. I think it's just because maybe I did one on Monday and, whatever. I wanted to show you, here's an update on Betty Boop. It's not like I've done a lot on it so far. Oh, kind of have, but yeah, I'm just trying to take my time with it because I'm not really used to doing squares, but it's coming. So, hang on one second. Actually, I gotta pause. I can get a garbage bag in here. Sorry about that. I needed a garbage bag in here because in order to do stuff, I need the garbage bag. Okay. I'm opening up this one first. It is Yesturday by Jeff Hynie, Haynie. It's a partial like this one. As soon as I can get... I'm using my selfie stick right now because yes, I got a selfie stick again, so hopefully... I got it when I was away somewhere. Because they're hard to find now, apparently. Before, they used to sell them at, like, dollar stores and stuff, but no, not anymore. Oops, sorry, guys. I'm trying not to have you shake that much. Stop it. Sorry. So there's a little sticker. Isn't it cute? Okay, so you know the drill. Toolkit. You get tweezers with these ones, baggies, whatever, right? Like, I get so many of those things. But if you're new to diamond painting, they're really useful for, to do it with. Sorry for the shakiness. So it looks like this one has the newer stickers. Ooh. It is 48 colors. There we go. And that's what the image looks like. I think this one was on sale for $45 or close to $50. I'm pretty sure. I'll double check the prices and stuff. It's a fair size. That's your coupon. You get... I'm not sure where the ABs are in this one. So, looks like there's two ABs. Focus. Number 130 and 141. So, obviously, the number 1 is around here. You can see it. And then the number 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Give me a second. Number 2, right here. So it'll be like in the whiskers and stuff like that. It's actually very cute. I love it. So, and they have, as you can see, they have like the little, little cats on both sides. So yeah, I'm very, because like I kept going back and forth on it. I'm like, oh, should I get it? Should I not get it? Should I get it? And I ended up getting it. So here are all the colors in this one. There's a big bag of 310. And I can't really tell where the AB is in here. Oh wait, yes I can. The AB's right here. Well, one of them. You can see it now, right? Yeah. So there's one of them. And the second AB is right here, where that yellow is. So there's that one. Very cute. And the size is a 25 by 20, so it's a 64 by 51 centimeters. If I do a good job with this, I may be able to do this one, you know. What am I doing? Hang on, let me pop. Okay, so this one is called Seahorse by Marjorie Sarnat, and it's also square. I love the beach and everything like that, so that's why I got this one. It's huge. Ooh, I love that. Is a toolkit. Here's your sticker. I like to put these like in the books, like in the notebook. I am getting other stuff today in the mail from Amazon, so I may do a video of that. I don't know yet. Lots of color blocking. Very beautiful. So these are the newest stickers. Only 26 colors. Wow. That's really nice. And looks like there's 3 ABs maybe? Is it anything under 150 or 140? I don't know. I don't know. So number 2 is right here, as you can see. Number 1. Number one. And if it is 3, 3 is number right there. If there is 3 B's. Number. Okay, I see it. Ooh, hello. So you see that one right there. That's one of the ABs. So that's all of them. Here's your code. I'm gonna zoom out for a bit. Okay, wow, lots of pretty colors in here, eh? So look, there's one of the ABs right there. Oh, I'm sorry. And that's the white AB. So then that's got to be 141. So yeah, okay, there's 3 ABs in here. There's gotta be... You know what? I will... Normally, I don't like taking them out. And I can never get them back in. I can try to find the... Okay. I think that's it right here. No. No, I am wrong. Okay, no, that's okay, that's that one. Okay, so yeah, okay, 141. There's that AB. It's a white AB. And I'm trying to find the other ABs. Found it. The other one is an orange AB. Very pretty. And then, sorry. I'm trying to figure it out under that pink. No. Okay, well, maybe that's it then. I thought. Because no, that's the third one. And the orange. Number 124. Okay, if you don't like the brain, you can just leave it like that. So see, there's AB right there. And then there's the white AB. I found it. So it's this pink one right here. Very pretty. Lots of corally colors in this kit for sure. Just gonna... Okay, so I was right. There was three ABs in this kit, but again, lots of color blocking and lots of pretty colors in this painting for sure. And the size of it is a 56 by 74. And it is square, and it's also from Diamond Art Club. So let me roll this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to put everything away, and it was just, ugh. So sorry about that. So this one is called Flight of the Fireflies. I don't know if they have it in stock or not anymore. I know they did for a little bit, but I'm not sure if it still is now. It is by Randall Spangler, which is the other dragon kit that I got from him. So, I can't wait to see this one. Let's do this. I'm sorry if my selfie stick is like moving a lot and stuff. Sometimes that just can't really be helped. I'm trying my best, you know. Okay, so it looks like it's a new sticker. So that's what it looks like. It's a beautiful image. Hang on, let me fix my camera. There we go. I've seen this on TikTok. That's why I got this. I'm like, ooh, I hope they get that one back in, and they got it back in, and this one is a round. They're like just like the other one I got. And then I think the other ones are mostly squares, I'm pretty sure. There's your little sticker that came with it. Wow, this is very pretty. Just putting that on top of there. Okay, so not very color blocking at all. Very confetti. I'm not going to say confetti heavy because there is some color blocking, but it's a little confetti in here and in here and a little bit in here, but all up there is color blocking, all up there is color blocking, and even there. So it looks like there's 2 ABs, so that is number 1. Number 1 is all around the jar, the glass jar right here. That was easy enough to find. And number 2 is right here. Right in the trees. So 2 and 2. Oops, sorry. 2, 2, 2. All right there. So yeah, if you like any of these kits, I would highly recommend them. You know, Diamond Art Club is an amazing company. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So I hope you guys like this video. The size of this one is also a 56 by 56 centimeter, so it's almost close to 60 by 60, give or take. So, yeah. I'll show you where one AB is, because I can see it. It's that white AB right there. And then the other AB is like purpley color. It's like a, oh no. Look at that gem. That gem's different. Is there oh! There's a special gem in this. Look at it. I didn't even notice that. So it's number 9. Oh, so number 9 is right here. Oh, that must be the dragon. How cool. I did not. Oh, so if they have like another special gem like that, I'm guessing they always do it. They put it on the bottom of that. That's cool. I was mostly looking for the purple AB. Oh wait, no. Okay, so never mind. There is only 2 because 155 is not an AB. So yeah, it's just that white AB right there and that yellow AB, the special gems. How cool. Oh, it's also right here too. Didn't even notice that. Oh, wow. I love it. Okay, I think that's about it, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. And continue on staying safe. And, I will be back with hopefully more by today. And, yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. Stay cool, too, because it's a hot one out there today. Oy. Yeah, is it ever warm? I may go back in my pool after. Alrighty, guys. Bye.